What if I told you your entire phone runs on just two numbers? Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Pabitra. I Pabitra Mandal, a computer science student. In this course, we are driving into one of the most important and honestly a coolest foundation of computer science, number systems. You might be used to numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But computers, they only understand 0 and 1. That's it. Either on or off. Sounds simple, right? But from the simplicity comes everything apps, games, AI, and even the videos we watch daily. In the next few lessons, we will learn how computers actually understand numbers, how binary, octal, and hexadecimal really means, and how to convert between them like a pro. So if you haven't watched the earliest video in this series, make sure to check out the full course playlist. It's linked in the description box and also available via the I button. By the end, you won't be just using the technology. You will start to think like a computer science student.